Hey guys, Super Malware here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will put on the screen, and I will also link them in the description below. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to go from right-handed to left-handed. So how to switch from right hand to left hand here in Valorant. I personally prefer to have the gun on my right side, but I'm just making this video just in case anybody wants the gun on the left side. So I'm going to teach you right now. Just follow what I'm about to show you. Alright, so let's click play. Let's go to practice and go to shooting range. So let's enter the range. Alright, so now that we're in the range, let's just pick Phoenix. Alright, so what you're going to do is press escape, go to general, scroll down to where it says other, and right here it says first person handedness, and by default it's going to be on right. So if you want it on the left, just switch to the left, and that's it. That's all you have to do now. The gun is on the left side, and you can like actually practice with this. Wow, I'm so bad at aiming. And that's it. It's super easy. You know, that's all you have to do. And if you want to switch it back, press escape, go to general. I'm already there, but yeah, just scroll down until you see first person handedness and just go back to right, left, right, whatever you prefer. I prefer right. I'm just making this video for people who want it on the left. So yeah, that's it. It's super easy. Alright, so let's actually try to play a game with this. This is going to be really weird for me, but we'll see how it goes. Reloading. Ooh.
Going up.
Last player standing.
Oh, man.
"30 seconds left.
Careful now.
One enemy remaining.
Okay, I got one guy. Ooh, man, I didn't expect that. Alright, it feels a little bit weird at first, but it's honestly the same thing. It just looks weird because it's on the left side, but the reality is like it's the same. Like it doesn't like change. It doesn't actually change how you play. It just looks different. Ooh, man. Ooh, he uses ults.
Come on, let's go.
Alright, well I know where he is now. Oh my gosh, man. Alright, got him.
Going up.
Welcome to my world.
Ooh. Alright. Alrighty.
Match point.
Alright, last one. I hope.
Spike planted.
Ooh, what? Damn. Alright.
Dim beacon here.
Let's see what we can do here.
Down you go. Enemy spotted.
One enemy remaining.
Ooh, alright, we won that.
Defenders win.
Awesome.
Let's go.
Awesome. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more awesome content just like this. You could also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and Twitter. I will put them on the screen somewhere, and I will also link them in the description below. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.